always bringing around the blue truck. We're gonna pull that into the shop because we got stickers. So we're gonna have a grand reveal on what the heck this sucker's gonna look like here in a minute. On well, maybe not today, but probably tomorrow. On how awesome she's gonna turn out. So we're pretty excited for the wrap. Sitting in there, shout out to 181 Designs on that one. Get some stickers for the toter. Be doing that, and we got our flow yellow overlays. So this one's gonna be a lot of stickering, I can see. So let's get to it. I'm gonna jump in this, pull it up there because we still gotta power wash it. That one should still be clean, so hopefully it's coming this way, I think. Oh my God. Sucker sharp. Got a full frickin' fleet around here, bud. Now, what was that for?
I don't know, we need room.
Oh, all right. But yeah, we got a packed house. Right on. And so we got the white off on this, or the, man, that sucks. We still gotta take the whole body off on this side. Get the heat going. Get the doors shut. Get to work, boys. Need to wash that too. brother.
Not sweet.
Dude, that sucker turned out nasty after we put on all the stickers to look like, obviously, the OG3.
Perfecto.
Yes. Looks awesome. Which brings us to this. We're really debating on spray painting the cage, which, I mean, it needs a new facelift of the blue either way.
Yeah,
but
we had a group discussion and committee meeting, and yeah.
to make Dale proud.
Yeah, 3 out of 4 voted in favor of painting.
To where it all just matches. We're thinking either black or red, you think?
Yeah, black or red. I'm thinking red. Red. I think red will pop a little better.
Red will be the Dale.
It'll look too.
What would Dale do, you know?
Exactly. WWDDW. Yeah.
Yeah.
WWDD. Yeah.
WWDD.
Need it as a sticker. Come on now.
What would Dale do?
But we also have another roof coming. So, brother,
It's in the mail.
let's
Waiting on our Uber.
let's finish ripping this sucker off.
Waiting on the Uber to drop it off tomorrow.
Uber, dang. Dude, I'm down. I hope. Jeffy, yeah? Let's pull this roof off. Make me proud. Whoa, whoa, hey! Yeah, we already undid it, but take away from the dramatic.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, pow. Oh my god.
Is that off though?
Oh, ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, can't forget. Got our. Oh yeah.
That black
What's it
ice?
smell like?
Was that? I think it's black ice.
Come on now.
Smell like shit.
But we got to figure out our headlight situation. Not quite sure what we're gonna do there. For sure, change the
We
color.
thought I don't know. We thought, I guess, it would be a little more brighter fluorescent kind of at first, and then we decided, nah, we'll just go with the red.
With the red.
But I
Yeah.
already stuck that crap on there.
Make Dale
now
proud.
we gotta peel that off and either go with red and white or something.
Don't quite know. Got the roof number.
Would be cool if we get the actual
Overlays.
Dude, if we could get the actual headlight stickers
For what? The Dale?
for that nose piece there.
Yeah. 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 WWDD, baby.
What would Dale do?
Oh,
What would you do? Oh yeah. He's winning.
Yeah,
Win
exactly.
the show or be the show. So.
Long story short, we're calling out Cletus right now.
Oh my God, no, we're not.
Yes, we are. Troy, come on.
You guys are ridiculous.
Clean ass.
It's a good idea. Mano y mano. Dale truck versus Dale truck.
On the dirt.
Yeah.
Verse.
We might win that one, maybe. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna lose that one.
50-50.
Yeah, 50-50.
I have a power glide. Hey, I have a power glide at home.
All right, our chances
We'll run a quarter.
are looking better, boys.
Run a 17 quarter mile. Let's let it rip.
Oh my God. Oh, and Troy, we never discussed our new late model sponsor.
Late model sponsor.
See,
Our secondhand sponsor.
Yeah, we have a new
So-
sticker here on the
So
late model hood.
we went on a road trip today to Cowboys.
Cowboys. Oh,
Yeah, went and hung out with him today. Grabbed some headers for the late model. I actually cleaned them up and
So we
painted
got-
them already.
yeah, we got
then,
headers,
And
hood.
it left with a hood because the hood scoop was cool and I had to have it. And I asked him and he said we could take it and that was cool.
So we got that.
Yeah,
today.
so we put that on the late model.
It does
then-
look pretty sweet.
And then
though.
I just happened to remember, oh, hey, we need a hood for this damn thing. Oh, hey, that came with a hood. I wonder if it fits on there with the hole that's already cut. Bada bing, bada boom. We got
It's
Donna's. We got Donna's old hood on here.
You might have won a couple races with this thing.
Yeah.
Now it's on
Maybe,
truck.
hard telling, yeah. Jesus.
But hey, sponsor.
Oh,
Sponsor.
Bobo.
Barely know.
you got to do door graphics.
Oh,
Don't forget that.
Yeah, our new door number for the late model.
Bang, bada, boom. You know, we're still finalizing paperwork on everything, but you know. Yeah, I can't do it. Too much.
Can't do it. Yeah, long story short, they're sending us a motor. We're just waiting for it in the mail for sponsorship. Hopefully they come through. Long story short.
I mean,
What do you?
does
What are
that
you
look
doing
like a rhyme?
now? That looks like our plow truck motor,
Look
but
like Pet Boys threw up.
hey, but at least hopefully it sounds better when we put the new late model headers on that we got from Cowboy.
Yeah, and I got them all painted up and stuff. They're ready to go on. Ready to go on.
Dude, one step closer. Just slowly keep picking away.
We could, realistically, if we
Go on.
wanted to actually go racing with it, we probably could, but we're so busy with this, and we finally had a good night with the red truck, finally.
About damn time.
Jesus.
Yeah, we got
Now we
wash
can
that.
kind of slow down on that, start clicking away on this. We might be starting another project for homeboy over there. Possibly.
It never ends.
That might be something pretty sweet for you guys in the future.
Yeah, we're excited about that in
We
the
actually
talks.
got Andrew on board with it too.
Ooh. Yeah,
It
let's
does
not.
have to do. It does have to do with wraps. I will be honest, and graphics, and I think it'll look sweet.
Troy, what are you working on?
Peeling like 30-year-old stickers.
Hey, it may be 30-year-old stickers, probably on a 40-year-old roof, but hey,
They stink.
we have a new roof
New to you.
to go on the blue truck. Well, I guess
Black truck.
black truck,
Dale truck.
Dale truck, whatever you want to call it.
We're on a first name basis.
But we did pick up some goodies here. We got a roof.
You got corn dog.
We got four nose.
Corn dog.
Corn dog.
Dale.
Yeah.
Maybe a possible Daryl.
Maybe
And a Cole.
Jeez, things are really starting to escalate, boys.
Get dirt nasty.
But hey, we got a roof. Get it painted.
Yeah, there's a
Put the new roof on.
nose over there.
Yeah. And then out with obviously the old beat up junk roof.
White nose.
Pretty awesome. I am excited, dude. Talking about a frickin' facelift. Alright, quick update. Levi's here now, and we're getting overlays put on, dog. She's gonna look good, and we got a serious update in the garage. But let's jump on. Let's go. Let's jump on this side. Let's hit her with some overlays, and oh my God, dude. Okay. Ah, the overlays look sweet. Ready? Compare. Bam. Run, 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 run. Bam. Hey, don't laugh at me. And we got the new roof all painted.
That thing slammed, huh?
Oh,
It's dope looking.
boys, that roof looks way better.
It looks awesome.
Fresh coat of paint on the old Dale truck. New roof. Look at us.
Kurt Chang.
Kurt Chan. Did you guys pop rivet that side or not yet?
Just a couple on the top.
The connector.
This one's got the bracket right here in the bottom of it.
And a couple of them have a little.
Has all on the bottom to mount it.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. We'll have a roof on here in no time, dude.
Yeah, for sure.
Truck stuff. Oh boy, she looks like a unit now, son. Woo-hoo! Been waiting for that, you know what I mean? I'm excited. Got packed house going on still. Right on. Boys.
Dude, go look at the other roof. The gray. It's got these little
On the other side? Okay. Okay, with the gray. Oh, okay, I see.
Take off for topless night.
I like topless.
Topless night. Come on, boys.
Dude.
Why do you guys always do this? Dude. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your Dale truck. Hey, we do have to grab the other tape I got today, so we can fix this. Yeah, let me go get that actually real fast.
Yeah, you go do that.
Well, we're working on trying to move the late model, and come to find out the left front caliper's locked up. The luck we have, dog. Luck we have. But new tape on the nose. This sucker looks good. Dale will ride again. Woo! Woo! Yeah, sounds like you might have stole some final touches. Finishing up the Intimidator. Oh. Oh.
Hide your kids. Hide your wife.
She is nasty, dude. This thing is awesome.
It never looks bad.
Do it for Dale.
The roof. Oh,
Dude, the new roof looks awesome.
it's not bad.
What a freaking upgrade she got, dude. Jeff's going ham on black rims. Oh.
Wait till the lug nuts are yellow.
Oh, dude. Dude, I'm pumped.
Jesus. Thing is pretty nasty. I'm not gonna lie.
Man, how you feeling? The truck took
I'm smiling, dude.
a transformation this weekend, dog. Oh, yeah. You can say that again.
Culture shock, lifestyle change, all of it. Just
A lot's going on. A lot's going on. But dude, got the roof number on, new roof, whole new wrap, and obviously we're back here doing it for Dale.
Boom! Boom!
Troy, who do we got to think on this? Come on. Steve. Who the? I don't know, Steve.
You got the hood?
well,
That's Brian. Oh,
Got the hood.
yeah, Steve on that.
Got the
Yeah.
hood from Steve. This came from.
Had to go buy that from Brian today.
Yeah, that came today.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, he's
And then Fritzy on the spoiler.
good wrench, obviously.
Yeah. You know, the Robinson brothers, Mr. Speedshop, Barlow.
Everybody,
Yeah, boom.
Ryan.
man.
Ryan.
Ryan.
Sleeping shows all weekend. Jesus,
Yeah,
can't
what
take
the
them anywhere.
Exactly.
Mullins.
But
Mullins.
she is coming together though.
It's a mulligan. That's not a mulligan.
The transformation is crazy, but
No.
we have been talking
It's got monk power.
about maybe repainting the roll cage.
Yeah, it is blue. We do have the paint to paint it red. We think, I don't know.
You guys decide.
I feel like that's an off-season thing, but you guys leave a comment below. See if we're gonna have to tackle a major project. I thought this was a pretty sweet upgrade, but now we're gonna ask the people paint the cage. What do we do? Different color? Leave it blue? Oh my god, that roof number is sweet, dude.
Yeah, UMP style. Boom.
Oh, love it. Love
I
it.
had it on the other truck too.
Doing it for Dale, baby.
Same exact way. A lot because I was fat at the time, couldn't lean over the roof.
Oh, and we got our overlays, 181.
Oh, crap.
Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. We probably could have won best looking car, you know what I mean? What the So, Troy, send them off.
Oh, God, I don't even know what to say, dude.
Put you on the spot.
Friday, yeah, I know, a little bit.
Turn the light
Friday
on.
was an alright night. Everything came home in one piece. That was cool.
Then we hit it hard all weekend.
Jesus,
And
and then worked on this all night yesterday, most of today.
wrap,
God.
stickers, roof,
Truck stuff.
truck stuff. Yeah.
Not to mention we might be getting another one out, doing some cool stuff.
Some more truck stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know why we put ourselves in this situation, but
I don't know, whatever.
truck stuff.
We're out here to have fun at least.
Make the truck class great again.
Truck, yeah.
Truck and A.
Truck off.
Truck, yeah. All right.
Truck your mother.
All right, Troy, this escalated real quick. Send them off, dog.
Yeah.
Send them.
Well, see you guys on the next one.
Get trucked. Take some of this shit off, huh?
You're gonna need a couple more drips or what?
Yeah.
Getting dry.
Yep. Drier than a popcorn fart.
All right. Fair enough, dude. Dude, spit, shine.
Well, today's episode of Will It Wheel Out.
Dude, it's gonna look good. The transformation is unreal. FYI, this is bonus content. For the people who stayed till the end and want to see
Like when you're watching the movies and then there's that extra scene after all the credits, like
Yeah.
in every Marvel movie ever. I'm waiting for a piece of fiberglass to fly.
God.
Dude.